In this video, we are going to be adding Let's Encrypt's Certbot using Snapped on OpenSUSE. Open Yoast and navigate to Software Repositories. We are going to add in the Snapped repository. You can tab to the Add option, or by holding Alt on your keyboard, you can use the highlighted letters as keyboard shortcuts. Snapped repository will be named Snappy, and the URL for the official server is located here. I will leave the link in the description. The video has been sped up and edited to save time. We import the GPG key from OpenSUSE repository. After adding the repository we refresh the GPG cache. Now our software repositories are updated. Navigate to Software Manager and we'll install Snapped. After Snapped and additional packages are installed. Navigate to Services, scroll down the list, and find Snapped Service. We are going to start Snapped and enable on boot for future use. Apply the settings and choose OK to close the window before we leave Yoast. Navigate to HTTP server and enable the SSL and server modules. quit Yast and add snapt to AppArmor with this command. At this point, it is recommended to restarting your machine log back into the system and use snapt to install Let's encrypt Certbot. Final making a symlink for Certbot. See our video on setting up Voast for Apache and have them configured before running Certbot. Our domain and DNS is managed by GoDaddy. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates.